Banana peppers, I just wanted to pop in really quick with a little intro to let you guys know that I just reopened my Depop shop. You guys, I used to have a Depop shop about 3 years ago and I had so much fun. I thought that you guys would particularly be interested because right now I'm in the process of going through my unboxing stash from all of my unboxing videos and my squishy videos. That is what I'm listing right now, is doubles that we've actually done on this channel. So if you guys have ever seen me unbox a little figure and you would like to have it for your own collection, I'm listing a ton of those items right now. So the link will be in the info box, and follow me on Depop and just keep your eyes peeled. And right now I actually just posted some from unboxings, like I think a year or more ago. I thought you guys would like to know, and that's it. I also don't even remember what today's video is gonna be because I filmed it like over a week ago. Well, you guys tell me what today's video is and if you liked it. Anyway, I will see y'all again very, very soon, like immediately, in today's video. What is this intro? I don't know. Hey, bananas, you say peppers. And you guys, I feel like it has been a lifetime. Have I filmed one video for this channel in this space this year? I don't think so. I usually always film in the actual filming room. So why I chose to do this in here today, I don't know, because we don't have that much room. Anyway, you guys, today is gonna be a probably quick video. Now watch me say that, and then this video is like 25 minutes long. I do that all the time. But today is gonna be a handbag unboxing. And you guys, this box, it's enormous. Like I don't think I can fit it all into frame. I knew that today I was gonna be unboxing a macro bag, but I had no idea exactly how macro. And I feel like every time I say macro bag, it throws me off because right now there is such a trend, and oh, I love it. I really do love it, of micro bags. Have y'all seen those? Like itty bitty little teeny tiny. I feel like that trend kind of started way earlier this year, like when the award shows were first happening and you saw everybody showing up, I almost said on the runway, on the red carpet, with these like itty bitty little, like literally, what do you put in that? Like one safety pin, one bobby pin, I don't know. I don't know that they have like an exact distinct purpose other than they look really cool, but they're not very practical. Like I'm still like, where are you gonna shove your phone? Oh my God, and totally off topic. This is why my videos are 25 minutes long a piece, but have you guys seen this random thing going around on Instagram? I think it's kind of like to poke fun at the micro bags, but it's like a little chair. A little teeny tiny bejeweled chair that you wear, and that's not even a bag at all. It slings over your shoulder like a bag, but it's not a bag. I've been looking for that thing everywhere. I don't think it really exists. I think it was just like an inside joke of some runway show somewhere. I wasn't invited to participate in that inside joke, but I'm laughing and loving it anyway. Around this time last year, I did a handbag unboxing of this exact same brand. And you guys have to let me know if you remember that. It was like a special edition Halloween jack-o'-lantern bag from the brand Moschino. Like I was just saying about the little chair bag, I think that Moschino this entire time has been observing that the micro bags are such a huge trend this year. So they thought to themselves, ha ha ha, how do we make fun of everything and everyone? Let's make macro bags. So they've done a collection, which by the way, I love them all. Like enormous duffel bags. Like I could probably fit inside this duffel bag. Enormous. This is enormous. They did another one that I really love, which looks like a biker glove, and it's an enormous, you just carry a giant glove. I think they did enormous fanny packs. How many times can I say the word enormous? That was just a little prologue, so you kind of know what to expect today. So let's go ahead and open it up. And I'm so glad, this is my birthday present, by the way, from my family, and it finally arrived. And let's go ahead and try and open it. Oh yes, there is the big Moschino.com. And we have a thank you card. We have this stuff, which is not as much fun as like traditional bubble wrap. Let's go ahead and pull it out and then we'll talk about it. How about that? Which, oh my God, you guys, I got a package in the mail today. I want to start doing this thing on my main channel. I'm going to call it like fashion challenges, where I take like one super weird piece of clothing that I can't stop thinking about, and I try and like make a practical, cool outfit out of it. Anyway, macro bag. So here is this. This is wrapped very nicely, however. So we have this nice little protective dust jacket, and oh my God, are you ready? Spaghetti. Oh my God, this looks like, do you know when you see something online? I feel like this is like the opposite of the meme where it's like expectations, reality, because oh, you guys, look at this bag. Whoa! I almost literally dropped it, and I don't want to know what would happen if I did. That would really suck. This is the bag. Oh my God, I'm like cradling it like a baby. So I'm sure you guys can see it looks like an enormous lighter. And it looks like so realistic. And I just love this thing so much because, especially like how it was modeled on the website, I swear they had somebody just wearing like a black leather jacket that had all this like studding and safety pins and stuff on it, which is just so me, so my style. And I was like, oh my God, I don't know. I love, it's so weird. I feel like they just kind of made it look like so rock and roll, so punk rock. It's like you're at a concert and you like turn on the lighter and oh my God, you guys, the thing spins. Okay, I was like, wait, does this push down? Because how crazy would that be? Just a giant flame comes out. Surprise, everybody. I can't believe the little thing actually rolls. So it is a clutch, which is so random for me to have. I probably have maybe like 2 clutch bags, if even. I don't know if I have any clutches. It opens like an envelope. Ooh, and it's stuffed with paper stuffing. And I feel like I'm gonna leave this in here. Well, I'll take it out right now so we can see what the inside looks like, because I have no idea. Like, no, it's just red. No, it's black. I was like, is it red in here? No, it's just black. But I feel like I'm gonna put the stuffing back in here for now. Ooh, it does like, well, look, it kind of like, it's very soft, so it's able to, you know, like you could, I don't know. Do you see what I'm saying? You can squeeze it. It's not like it has something like a hard plastic shell or whatever to really keep it in this shape. What is this? Oh my God. It's like the most enormous silica gel packet I have ever seen in my life. I don't like this. And I wish I wasn't touching it. Like, this could be a silica gel packet wallet. Have you guys seen those silica gel packet purses? Every now and again, some of you guys like send those to, send the picture of those to me on Twitter just to freak me out a little bit. And it does freak me out, but it also makes me laugh. And we have the little tag in here, which you guys have to let me know. Does anybody else do this? I always keep the little original hang tag in the bag. I don't know why, but pretty much like every purse I ever have, it has the price tag, the original hang tag, still somewhere in the bag. So it actually has this sort of like silky lining in it, and it has a little tiny zipper pouch. And there we go. Ooh, so nice. Oh my God, you can like hear the silica gel. I love this bag. I just shoved the stuffing back inside of it. I know this sounds weird, but I honestly might like sew a little custom pillow filter, a little custom like pillow thing to sit inside of this bag, because I honestly do love it when it kind of retains this more like puffy shape. And you know, I feel like no matter how many items I put in here, like wallet, keys, you know, phone, everything like the normal stuff you put, because I feel like this is like a night out bag. I don't feel like this is like obviously an everyday bag just walking around with a giant lighter. And so I feel like I would like to have something that I could leave in there that would help the bag keep its shape without making it heavy and without like carrying around a bunch of paper. That would just be really weird. But you guys, I am so thankful to my family for getting this bag for me, because it's freaking sold out already. They have a blue one still left, but I don't really like the blue one. I mean, that is kind of like my rule of thumb, is I'm always like, but does it come in black? Like, it literally doesn't matter what it is, like my preferred color of choice is black. I just feel like black goes with everything, and it's always like the most like rock and roll kind of color to me. So, you know, all black everything, that is my preference. I feel like a lot of clothing brands and like designer items, like I have heard like a lot of brands are like canceling items that they had intended to make. Like I heard, oh my God, have you guys seen the Gucci pillow holder backpack kind of thing? I literally dream about that bag, and I heard that like that got canceled, so I don't think they ended up making it. And I feel like this, literally they had to have like one or two of them. It sold out immediately. So I don't know, I feel like so lucky to have this in my collection. You guys know I always like the super duper weird stuff, because that's also kind of like my rule of thumb, is if it's not something that is like super amazing and totally unique, then like I don't want to buy designer. And mostly I just don't want to buy like stuff that's not like, especially you guys, like for the past like year, I would have to say like 98% of my wardrobe is all vintage. Like stuff that, like when I was going thrifting, stuff that I would get thrifting, or stuff that I buy on Etsy, or just like other small little like vintage boutiques that I go to in Austin and stuff. But I literally, I don't know, I don't buy that much like new clothing, I don't feel like anymore. I do buy like from like independent designers, I guess, here and there. Anyway, now I'm just rambling, but most things, like it has to be something like really awesome and unique, or I just try and find like a similar style of something I like that's vintage. But this, you guys, I feel like just we're never gonna see this again. I feel like now I'm just rambling. But let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Do you think this is cool? Do you think it's crazy? Is it your style, or is it a hard pass for you? I would love to know all of you guys' thoughts and opinions in the comments down below. Also, let me know your opinion on macro bags and micro bags, because I am just kind of curious. I feel like most of the time I also just don't like trends either. It's been a long time. It's been probably since like Jeffrey Campbell Lita's. That was like the last time that I was like, ooh, the trends. But I feel like I've been trapped in crop top hell now for like the past 6 years. That's honestly probably what turned me off from like mainstream shopping, truthfully, is I cannot tell you guys the number of times that I will find a shirt or something. I love the color, I love the print, I love the sleeves, I love the neckline, and then the shirt will just stop here. I'm like, that's not a shirt, that's a bra. Which, don't get me wrong, I need bras in my life, but I also need shirts, full, complete shirts where the fabric doesn't stop here. Like, what am I gonna do with that? So I feel like it's been a long, long time since I've actually really gotten into and appreciated a trend, but the whole micro bag thing is a trend that I do actually love. And I'm not sure if macro bags is a real trend. Anyway, you guys, I'm now rambling again, but I will see you guys again very, very soon. I have more fun like stationery and art videos coming, and I think some other like clothing stuff on this channel as well. But I will see you guys again very, very soon. And until I do, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so, so much. And I will see y'all again very, very soon. Bye.